For today's episode, guys, we will be discussing my top 5 finds in our MTG bulk. If you're new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. And also, we are having our sales in our Daily Dose of Magic. So you can visit our online shop, Daily Dose of Magic in Shopee. So you can click the description below and you can see there the link of our shop. Thank you so much. That's all for now, and now we will discuss, guys, the top 5 finds for this week. Okay, so first card, guys, is the Guttural Response. So this one is either red or green mana. So you can use either of the two, and you can already use this instant spell. So this is an instant, guys, and this is an uncommon card. So it can counter target blue instant spell. So with this 1 mana instant card, you can counter any blue instant spell. So you can counter, guys. Very, very nice card if you are dealing with blue deck. So this one is a very, very nice card for you. Okay, so for our next card, guys, is a Grab the Prize. I really love this card. So this one is a 2 mana sorcery, 1 colorless, 1 red. So as an additional cost to cast this spell, discard a card. So you need to discard a card in your hand. No issue on that. The good thing here is you can draw 2 cards. Okay, so you can draw 2 cards, and if the discarded card wasn't a land card, Grab the Prize deals 2 damage to each opponent. So you can deal 2 damage to each opponent. So if you're playing a commander with the other guys, so if you use this, you can deal 2 damage to them. Very, very nice card. Very OP card. So our next card, our third card, guys, is the Enter the Enigma. So I like this one. This is 1 mana sorcery. So this can, the target creature can't be blocked this turn. So you can put unblockable. So your target creature will be, cannot be blocked on this turn. And also you can draw a card. Very OP, guys. 2 effect for this one, the 1 mana sorcery. And Enter the Enigma. Very, very nice. Okay, for our fourth find, this is a Boggart Troller. This is a creature, this is a black creature, guys, 3 mana, 2 colorless, 1 black, uncommon card. I really like this because when Boggart Troller enters the battlefield, you can exile target's player's graveyard. Imagine if your opponent is using his graveyard for some other tactics, you can immediately exile all of those cards in his graveyard in just 1 card by using the Boggart Troller card. Very nice, guys, for 3 mana. And lastly, guys, I love this last card that I found. This is a Dark Steel Ingot. This is 3 mana colorless artifact. I really like this. This is an uncommon card. It has a indestructible effect. And when you tap this, guys, you can add 1 mana of any color to your mana pool. I think this one is a very OP, underrated, uncommon card, guys. So share me your thoughts about it. I believe majority of my viewer were playing Magic the Gathering. Guys, please share me your thoughts about these 5 cards. What are your most favorites among them, and what card do you always use? So majority of our viewers are coming from US and also in Asia. And some is watching from Europe, UK. I'm really thankful to all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and share us your thought. So what do you like most in this 5 common and uncommon finds? God bless. That's all, and please subscribe.